Hello guys, my name is Stanley Onome, and in this tutorial video I am going to be teaching you guys how to create a whiteboard animation by making use of Render Forest app. So let's get started. This is my Render Forest app. I'll click on it. Let me go back to the home page. Right? Okay, as soon as you click on it, this is what you're supposed to see on the home page. So the next thing you like to look out for is this whiteboard animation, because that's what we want to create. So you click on it, then you click on create now, then you click on add scenes, then you can now pick any kind of scene you want to make use of. So I want to make use of this first scene. I want this video to be very short, so I'll click on it and I'll pick the scenes I want to make use of. So I want to make use of this. I want to make use of this, and then let me just make use of 3 scenes for the course of this tutorial. Just 3 scenes. Then I've picked the scenes I want to make use of. Then I'll come here and click on add. So you can see the 3 scenes have appeared here. So the next thing I want to do is to edit the scenes individually. So I'll come here and pick this, double click on it. Then I'll type what I want to type. Hello guys, welcome to 5 Talent Ltd. Right? Then I'm done. Then I'll come here and click on close. Then I'll select the next scene. See it here? Double click. Then I'll type, we offer investment services. Then I'm done. I'll click on done here. Then I'll click on close. Then I'll select the last one, double click. Then I'll type, for more inquiries, call 081062134428. I'm done. And I'll click on done. Then I'll come here and close. So you can see that I'm done editing my scenes, right? I'm done editing my scenes. So as soon as I'm done editing my scene, the next thing to do is to come and click on this style. Click on style. Maintain this one. If you don't want this board drawing, you can select this. So I want to make use of this. So the next thing I will do, I would come to this color, click on color, click on color. I want to maintain this blue color, you can see. So there is no need to touch anything. I'll come to this music, click on music. If you want to add the voiceover, you can click on this. This is voiceover, so you can come here and add your voiceover. If you want to add music, you select this one. So I want to add music. I'll select this. Then I'll pick any music of my choice. I've selected one already. So the next thing to do is to come and click on this final icon, preview. Click on it. And wait for it to preview. As soon as it opens, click on fast preview, this first one, and wait for it. Okay, so it has opened. Now Render Forest is preparing your video. So, but because I can't wait for Render Forest to prepare my video, I'll close it. I'll close this page, and I can even leave the app. I'll close this page, go back to my home. Then I can come back anytime. Whenever my video is ready, I'll come back and open the app again. When I open the app, I'll come to my video and click on it. You can see that the video is here. Render Forest is still working on the video. As soon as your video is ready, this download button that is here will be highlighted. So your video will be available for you to download. So you click here and download your video. As soon as your video is ready, you can see the video is ready now. You can see the highlight. If I click on it now to download to my gallery, and that's how it works. You can always leave the app, close the app, and come back later. All you need to do is to click on my video. You see the video on top, and then you download it when it is ready then it is ready for download. So that's how it works. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial video. Look out for the next tutorial video. See you in the next class. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Hello guys, my name is Stanley Onome, and in this tutorial video I am going to be teaching you guys